Hi Libra and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of July is going to be for you, and I'm making the videos very early this month because I want to complete all the videos and the way you want them, the way you like them, like the full videos that I make every month. And that is why I started early, that if at all there are circumstances that I'm not able to pull it through towards the end of the month, I'll be able to finish them before, like by the mid of the month, or before much before the end of the month. So I hope I'm able to do that. This month of July is a month of breakthrough for you. This is the month where you break the chains, where you start a new journey, where you stand your ground, where you be focused on your goal, where you take stand for yourself, and where you are actually grounded, balanced, and you move forward with that grounded and balanced energy. The two things that you need to take care of is, at no time in this month feel that you are stuck. So don't feel stuck, don't feel worried, don't feel negative, and anything that you feel is not working out, or anything that you feel is stuck or negative, that's going to be only an illusion. And if you be an illusion, you are going to miss the forward movement that you're going to have this month. If at all there is anything that happens which is negative, which is not how you expected it to happen, it will all come to light, it will all be fine, it will all be caught. So this month you don't have to be really worried. So this is a good positive month for you, rather a month where you can actually have you can actually break the chains and move forward. So that's the month for you. If I talk about your health, I would say that this month, first of all, you need to take care of your sleep cycle. I think sleep is going to be very important this month. So take care of your sleep cycle, because I feel a lot of sleeplessness can be there. Second, if there has been any addiction that you've had, and addiction doesn't mean that you're drinking, you are smoking, or you're taking anything. Addiction means addiction to negative thinking, addiction to sleep, addiction to food, addiction, anything that kind of you want to break through but you're not able to break through, anything that you feel chained in, this is the month where you break that chain. So break that chain and move over that addiction and work on that, because that's the only thing that can actually give you health issues if it's there. A little bit of headache here and there can be there. Along with that, I would tell you that this month, if you are into an environment where you don't trust the people around you, or where you think that people around you can mess up with you in any way, like mess up with the food you eat or the water that you take, or if you go out, because the lockdown is kind of opening up, if you go out to any friend's place or party or anything where you're not able to trust people, take very good care of what you are eating and what you're drinking. I feel something can be given to you in your food, if I get the word of poisoning, but it can be otherwise also, like some kind of drug or something. So though there will be signals, so you will be able to identify, there will be signals, but you'll have to be cautious to catch the signals. So that is something that I would want you to take care of. If we talk about your wealth or money, from money perspective, there is 8 of Pentacle and then there is Queen of Pentacle. Keep working on the things that you're working on. Money will flow undoubtedly, and whatever chains you've had because of money situation or lack of money, they are going to break. But at the same time, don't rush into spending it. So budgeting is going to be very important. Also, another thing is, stand your ground with regards to money also, in the sense that if somebody comes and wants money from you, or asks you for a big sum of money or something, know that it might not come back. So don't trust blindly. If you want to invest, if you want to put your money somewhere, be very clear. Don't do it with blindfolds, don't do it with closed eyes. Be very clear of the terms, be very clear of how you want to move forward, be very clear of your goal that you have to achieve with regards to that money. And if at all you are doing anything which is not right, if you are doing anything which is not legal, know that somebody is noticing you. So you have to take care of that part as well, that don't do anything that you are not meant to do. Otherwise, money should flow fine. The only thing is, budgeting is going to be important. If we talk about your relationships, this is the month where, if you have been in a relationship which was abusive, physically, mentally, either ways, or if there was any kind of molestation and anything that was wrong in the relationship, there is a chance to break through from that relationship. So you can actually move away from anything that was not working out, or anything that was actually bad, like really bad. You were chained, you were stuck. So there is going to be help this month, and this month is a possibility where if you work on that, you can actually break free from any kind of relationship which was that bad. There's a chance to work on the relationships as well. So if there was a relationship which was not that bad but it was still problematic, there's a chance to work upon those relationships as well. The only thing is you need to stand your ground. You need to ensure what you can take and what you can't. You need to push away if there is something that you cannot take by giving good valid reasons. Communication is going to be very important in your relationships, and while I'm saying communication is going to be very important, the choice of words is going to be very important. So choose good words no matter what you need to communicate with others. And along with that, another thing which is going to be very important is that don't say anything behind anybody's back, because you will, if you do it, it is going to reach that person. There are going to be people who are going to be only making you say those things so that they can make those things reach the other person. So this is one thing that you need to take care of. Otherwise, relationships, I feel that they are going to be balanced, provided you keep your balance, you keep your communication clear. And otherwise, I would say this is the month where you focus more on yourself. So focus more on your own energy. This can be like a new journey that you take over with your own self. You can have a pet if you want, but focus on your relationships with yourself. If you have had a bad relationship, there is a relationship end that you've experienced, then give yourself time to heal, because only when you are healed is when you are ready to get into new relationship. Not that new people will not come into your life, new people will come into your life. It can be very fast as well, but then the thing is that as fast as they come into your life, with similar pace they will go away from your life if you are not healed. So give yourself time to heal. If I talk about pregnancy, possibility is there towards the second half of the month. So second half of the month there is a possibility of pregnancy, and for the first half of the month, if you are at all pregnant, movement is going to be very important. So take care of your movement, take care of your health, and exercise and everything. For marriage, I would say this is not the month to take a relationship towards marriage. So if you can avoid it this month, that's going to be better. If you talk about your job and career, from job and career perspective, again, because there is a breakthrough, there is breaking of the chain, there is Fool card, so definitely new journey, new beginnings, and there is Seven of Wands, so definitely there is something that can work out that will require you to take your stand. So opportunity, yes, opportunity can come, or something that you have been working upon, you can find a breakthrough there. So it can give you results, something that you've been working upon. The only thing is you have to be yielding this month. So if you are negative, if you are shattered, if you feel things are not working out, then the things will not work out. But if you actually break that chain, if you balance your conversation, balance your energies, keep your self away from the patterns of the past, and don't come from an ego space but come as a team player, things will work out very well for you in your work, in your business as well. Like in your business also, if there's something that you've been working upon, don't go from an ego perspective and you will see a breakthrough. The only thing is, in your work situation, I would say that this month ensure that you take as much as you can deliver. So don't take too much on your plate that you cannot deliver, because ultimately that will not give you good results, and that will give you stress as well. So take as much as you can deliver, that's going to be good, and then take your stance. Another thing is, don't speak behind the back of other people, and don't spread any kind of rumors, and don't be worried if there is a rumor spread about you, because it will be caught. Somebody's eye is already there, so somebody already knows it. So you don't have to be worried. If you are balanced, if you're not worried, then ultimately end of the month there is a forward movement, there is a Knight of Wands, so definitely you're going to move forward. For students, I would say keep on moving forward, keep on working forward. If there was anything that was stuck, if there were any chains, anything that you think was not working out, it will work out this month. You will get good guides. The only thing is, I would say that if you are now night owl, like I was when I was studying, then this month try to sleep at night. Avoid waking up at night hours. That is going to be good for you. If I talk about soul growth, for the soul growth, this month is the month where you actually believe in your own soul, where you actually believe in your own self, where you actually don't make yourself worried. You see the light, you see the positivity. If there is anything that is not happening right, it is like a bad dream which is going to get over if you are over it, if you let it happen. So connect with your own soul, believe in your own energy, believe in your own self, and don't get into any zone where you say anything wrong about anybody, or where you actually bother about what wrong has been said about you. Focus on your energies, focus on your balance, focus on standing your ground, and you will see things working out beautifully well for you. Number of the month, not sure why, but I see number 7 a lot. So 7 number is the number of month for you, and 7 is the number which is number of illusions, but at the same time number of standing your ground, number of moving forward. So ensure that you are taking it in the right perspective and you're not going for illusions. And that reminds me that in terms of money transactions, be careful, because I kind of feel that there could be a possibility of deceit, though it will be caught, it will not go unnoticed, but there is a possibility of that. If I talk about chakra of the month, I would suggest all chakra meditation. It's just a 7-minute meditation. Link is there in the description box. But if you cannot do all chakra, at least solar plexus and sacral chakra, these two you should practice. Color of the month, orange, yellow, green, all shades are going to be good for you. Mental exercise of the month is again number 7. It's number 25, and it says round and round. So if you have been experiencing that your life is going on round and round, same kind of patterns repeated, same kind of people coming and going, same kind of things happening, then realize that it is because you are also saying the same things, or you're also doing the same things. So sit with a conscious, clear mind. Sit with yourself, take a paper and pen, or record it on the phone if you want, and think about what are the things that are repeated patterns in your life. And when you actually find out those repeated patterns, then think, what are you doing in those patterns? How are you responding in those patterns? Change the response, change how you are acting, and the patterns will stop happening. This is the month which is a very crucial month for you to do that. If I talk about the animal energy of the month, it is the Llama card. It says breathe deeply with highs and lows. So whatever, no matter what is happening in your life, whether it is a good time, whether it's a bad time, because it's going to be a mix of both. If you breathe deeply, if you balance your energies, if you believe in yourself, and if you know that you're only moving forward, then you are only moving forward. This month I've taken out one card from the Spirit Messages deck, because we all are losing our loved ones somewhere or another. So I thought that that's actually the best thing to connect with souls and know what are the messages. So your messages: serenity. It says the most important relationship you can have is with yourself. This is the time to honor, nurture, and love yourself more by seeking out and removing any negative feelings and emotions that are left over from yesterday. Don't let past issues and resentments interfere with your serenity today. And I remember the serenity prayer is where you ask that God, give me the clarity to understand, or give me the serenity to understand, or give me the wisdom to understand what is it in my life that I cannot change, and what is in my life that I can change, and also give me the courage to change what I can, and the wisdom to accept what I can't. So always there are a lot of things happening in our life. There are some which are under our control, which we can change. There are some which we cannot change. They are not under our control. When we understand the difference, then we actually move with the flow in a better way, and with balance and wisdom and happiness. So that's what your message from your souls who've left are, to have that serenity and to love yourself. It's very important to nurture yourself and love yourself, and I am seeing this in your personality cards. There is a lot of feeling of loss, sadness, sleeplessness. So love yourself and nurture yourself. It's very important. I'm going to take out one live card. Before I do that, I would want to tell you that if you like the video, please share it with everyone, press the like button, leave the comment, and subscribe the channel. And there are a lot of other videos on my channel that can help you with positivity, with understanding the soul journey, understanding tarot cards, lot of other things that might be questions in your mind from a long time. So if you get some time, watch those videos. If you find them useful, do share them with everyone that you can, and do leave the feedback. So let's see what is the message for you guys. Message for Libra. Guides, angels, message for Libra for the month of July. Message for Libra for the month of July. Okay, wow, beautiful. So there is okay, here is Ace of Swords, and then there is a card of Two of Pentacle and Sun. So the cards are saying that there is a little bit of juggling, continue juggling, keep yourself balanced, and a new sun is going to shine, new opportunities, new happiness, everything is awaiting you. It's going to shine bright, bright, bright. There is a little juggling where you need to understand basically that you have to remove, let go of the patterns. You have to stop going round and round, and you have to balance your energies between good and bad. And when you balance that, there is a new sun that is going to rise for you. So beautiful cards. And if you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I want my reading. I'll share my number, we'll take it forward. The decks that I'm using, this is Angel Wisdom Tarot deck. This is Animal Whisper deck. This is the Spirit Messages, and this is my favorite, the Wisdom of the Oracle deck. Rest, I will see you with the next month's prediction. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye bye.